Hey there, fellow streakers. This is Jeff. I've got your streaking short for today. Katie's kitchen is usually filled with wonderful smells of bread baking, soup simmering, or cookies cooking. Recently, she completed the Great Katie Cookie Delivery, which their family uses to earn money for family trips, gifts, or giving to charity. Through the years, Katie has become a master baker. Danny, her husband, is not a whit behind Katie. He has become a pit master, grilling and smoking mouth-watering pork shoulder, excellent braised brisket, and smoked turkey you won't want to share. Interestingly, this is not their profession. But you would never know it because when the food they fix hits your tongue, you're transported from the kitchen table to either a French bakery or a Southern barbecue master's pit competition. How then did they develop their professional skills in the kitchen when the bulk of their time was spent elsewhere? They did it through following the principles of streaking. Streaking is the simple practice of conscious, consistent actions that create life-changing results. The laws of streaking, which are law number 1, make it laughably simple, law number 2, no record, no streak, and law number 3, create a community, give you what you need to become whoever you want to be. If you want to become a professional baker or barbecue pit master, you do small things daily or weekly to become that person. To be a master baker, you might have this stack of streaks. Streak number 1, review at least one new recipe daily. Streak number 2, bake at least once weekly. Streak number 3, watch at least one YouTube on how to bake daily. To become a barbecue pit master, you'd probably have a different stack of streaks. The key to becoming who you want to be is focusing your attention on how long you can do something, not on what that something is producing. There are many books, workshops, and classes that will teach you what to do to become who you want to be. Streaking is the how you apply what you learned. Only through consistent, consecutive actions will you master what you need to do to become the person you want to be. Any person who you consider to be a master in any profession got there through the often overlooked attribute of consistency. They defined who they wanted to be and then did consistently what they needed to do to be that person. To learn more about how to use streaking in your personal and professional development, buy the book from Amazon, Barnes & Noble, or Indie Books. To start tracking your streaks, download the streaking app from the Apple App Store or from Google Play. Until tomorrow, keep streaking.